Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another super awesome power packed video on IELTS writing essay, wherein I'll be taking a very peculiar question and show you what mistakes the student has done for the essay and what score the essay scores and why the mistakes has happened, how to fix the mistake and lot many things. Before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance, you can WhatsApp us to the number appearing, the link appearing in the description of this video. I'll be there, we will be there to help you, guide you in the right direction. Alright, without further delay, let's straight away get into the video. Let me just share my screen. This is the question. You can take your time, read the question, understand what is asked and be ready with it. Nowadays, more and more older people who need employment have to compete with younger people for the same jobs. What problems does this cause and what are the solutions? A very straightforward question. The trend is set in a way that older people have to compete with the younger workforce for the employment. Who need employment have to compete with younger people for the same jobs or similar jobs. What problem does this cause? Remember, the question is not asking you the causes. The question is asking you the problems. You write causes. What are the causes behind this? Then 0 mark. Remember it. The question is not asking causes. The question is asking problems and solution. What is the structure that we follow here? Strictly a 4-para structure. Para 1, you will just retain what is there in the question. This essay will discuss both the problems and solutions of this trend. Para 2 is where you talk about problems of this trend. Means what problem does this cause? If the older people are trying to compete with the younger people, what problem does it happen? When older people compete with younger people, for sure they will not be able to compete. They will not be able to stretch for longer hours. They will not be able to work productively like younger people do. Because of this, the promotion will never happen. They always get bad rating. As a result, their income will not be so great, and the family which depends or who depends on these older people will have to struggle. These are the problems. Don't write why this is happening. Technology is like this, older people have to adjust that, this. You write 0 mark. 6.5 straightforward. Hope you are getting it. Hope you are getting it. Solution. I talk about any solution, man. Probably government or the company should make a rule that older people will have jobs specified for their age. Means a managerial kind of role wherein they don't work but they try to manage. Something of that can be a great solution. That's all the answer is. But 99% of the people write wrong answers. Let's understand what one of the students of ours has written. In recent times, elder population has a tough competition with the youth for the similar jobs that they are currently in. This essay intends to delineate the problems associated with it along with the possible solutions. When we talk about it, such a question, second paragraph, always start the first line with the problem. The main problem of this trend is write the problem. The family which depend on elder people will have to struggle. This is because the older people, when trying to compete with the younger workforce, will not be able to do so. As a result, they will not be able to be good at their jobs like the younger people, and as a result the promotion will not happen. For example, in India, lot many younger people are getting promoted over the older people because of so and so problems. As a result, the older people's family will have to struggle with a low income. That's all the answer. Let's see what the person has written. The problem associated, great. Now I am really looking forward to reading the problem. The problem associated with younger people elder people finding it tough to acquire jobs. As the young, due to the increased productivity and strength that is prominent in youngsters. The question is not causes. They have not asked what are the causes for the problem. Causes is younger workforce or they go to gym. Correct, they are more productive. Hey, they are not asking causes, man. Isn't it? So this idea is wrong. This is because older people are inferior to the younger people in terms of physical and mental living. The question is not the causes. What is causing this problem? No. What is the problem? Not written. They are also not productive at their tasks. For instance, so far problem with the trend is not even explained. Many multinational companies rely on hiring young minds for their organization as they believe that youth is active, mentally strong and withstand challenges more responsibly. Due to this, The statistics of older people being hired plunged down. This is the only thing that is required for the question, but this is not written in the first line, not even in second line, not in third line, neither in fourth line. Somewhere in the middle that is put. How the marks will come, you think? This has to be in the first line. The main problem of older people trying hard to compete for the same jobs as the younger people is their employment rate has come down. That is the main problem. Why, you explain now? Getting it, this has to be in the first line, making employment hard for them. A viable solution. Okay, the person has followed a different structure. Second paragraph, problem, solution. Third paragraph, problem, solution. This is also fine, but in this you have to write 2 problems and 2 solutions. Why to go with it? Write the structure that I asked you. 1 problem in second paragraph, 1 solution in third paragraph, done and dusted. Here 2 problem, 2 solutions. In my structure, 1 problem, 1 solution. If I write just 1 problem and 1 solution, won't my marks go down? Definitely no. It is not just the ideas, it is the coherence, cohesion, the representation. Remember this. A viable solution to this problem, let us read, can be if government comes up with a policy asking these multinational companies to keep a quota for older people to get hired by giving them the opportunity to showcase the talent. In one line, never write a solution. Whatever you write, you need to write supporting idea, example. Example in 3 to at least 3 sentences, supporting idea 1 or 2 sentences. 1 line solution. As a result, no marks for the 6.5 directly, not 7 or could be less than that. Hope you are getting it. Hope you are getting it. Let us talk about another problem. Another problem stemming from older people competing with young to find similar jobs is due to, cause is not asked, boss, technology driven world. This is because older people are not at all equipped to work with fast paced technological. Like I told you, many people misinterpret the question and write in a different way. Hope you are getting it. And does not have sufficient knowledge to, all these are the reasons behind why elder people have to compete. That is not the question. What is the problem? Must for the majority of the firm nowadays. Probable solution to this problem. Problem only not explained. The cause behind the problem is explained. Can be that older people take the initiative for learning these technological tools that are essential for work through online learning platforms. Idea is all excellent. Solution part. Problem is not written because the person has misinterpreted the problem to writing the causes. Google certificates, Udemy, Khan Academy, which may enhance their credibility in the job market along with being technologically friendly and may increase the chances. Solution is nicely written, correct? They can definitely update themselves with and all those things. Problem only is not written, so only half of it is addressed. This will be 5.5 or 6, so not more than that. The IELTS writing is a beautiful thing. You just need to become an artist and write. No. People do not want to become an artist, people want to just scribble, then the marks will not come, correct. Hope you are understanding the right techniques through this channel. Anytime you need online assistance, you can WhatsApp us. Every day you get feedback like this, it is a paid assistance, you can text us. I will be there, we will be there to help you, guide you right direction. Fine guys, this is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon I will be back, till then take care, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe if you like the content that we shared in this channel. Thank you.